Welcome to this basic introduction to mindfulness. I'll be your instructor throughout this course. So hello there, I'm Lorraine Walker, founder of the Calm Mums Academy, a course creator, child educator and teacher. I'm also a clinical hypnotherapist using cognitive behavioural therapy and mindfulness, and I'm a stress management and mindset coach. I've worked with children and families for over 30 years, teaching children and supporting mums. I currently run a private therapy practice supporting women and children with stress and anxiety, fears and phobias, and I also teach them mindfulness techniques. So I hope you feel in safe hands and enjoy this introductory course, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.